Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today, I'm going to go over some mail call. Got received a package this summer while I was busy working out of town, and so I really haven't had much time to do too many restorations. So now that fall's coming in, I have a little bit more free time to work on some of these projects. And this project here, I'll give you some pictures. Came from Magdad. He sent me this Bonney Screwdriver number 6 and a Bonney pair of pliers. So as always, Magdad, thank you so much for the Bonney tools, and definitely be looking for stuff that you like. And so watch how I restore these tools. Here's what the pliers and the screwdriver looked like before I started. The screwdriver wasn't too bad, so I started off on the wire wheel. I'm using my fiber wheel to smooth out the shaft. I'm smoothing down the shaft even further with wet dry sandpaper. I started using 240 grit and worked my way all the way to 600 grit sandpaper. The handle wasn't that bad, it still had some nicks and scratches. I started using 800 grit sandpaper and worked my way up to 1200 grit. I used clear gloss enamel over the plastic handle of the screwdriver to keep it looking shiny and nice. I'm cleaning the pliers up on the wire wheel after an overnight soaking in Evaporust. I'm using a 40 grit sanding disc in my angle grinder to get the deep pitting out of the pliers. I'm using my orbital sander to sand the pliers smooth, starting out with 120 grit, and I will work my way to 400 grit. I'm using the buffing wheel to get a good shine on these pliers. Here is what the pliers and the screwdriver looked like before I started. And here is what the pliers and screwdriver look like once I've finished. Here's the screwdriver and pliers in the 1977 Bonney catalog. Well, what'd you think? I think the screwdriver and the set of pliers came out looking pretty nice, so I'm pretty happy. So again, a big shout out, thank you Magdad for sending those tools my way. You know how much I like the Bonney stuff. So please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Faust, and leave a comment below, and I will try to give you a link to one of Magdad, one of his videos, if you haven't already seen everything that he's done. Otherwise, see you next time. Thank you.